Hey y'all, and welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by and hanging out with me today. I'm super excited because today's video is the first video in my Fall Decorate With Me series. It is also my very first collab, and I'm super duper excited to collab with these lovely ladies. I'm collabing with Angie Perry Home and the House of Parker, Organized with Joy, and Brittney's Beautiful Chaos. These women are amazing. Brittney does some beautiful makeup tutorials, cleaning, and motherhood. Angie does motherhood, lifestyle, and cleaning. The House of Parker does cleaning. She also does a lot of motivational things that is really awesome. And Organized with Joy does these amazing cleaning, organization, and she has Thoughtful Thursday videos, which are awesome. So y'all please go check out their channel and make sure that you hit that like and subscribe button on them, and I will have all their videos in this collaboration linked down below. Y'all, my porch was so dirty. It had spiders and cobwebs and tree frogs and toads and you name it. It was all over the porch. And I wish that this hose was a power washer, but it's not, because it really needs to be power washed. But I just used what I had, which was some soap and water, to get this thing scrubbed up. Yes, y'all are seeing this right. I'm using my tub scrubber to scrub the concrete steps and bricks, and it worked fantastic. Scrub brush making soap bubbles on the concrete super satisfying? I am. I just want to sit here and watch this forever, but just wait till I go to wash it off. It's even more satisfying. which is the decorating. So I got this rug for $5 at Dollar General, and it was such a great value because I got one very similar last year at Hobby Lobby for $14. So I thought that was a great price at Dollar General. In this video, it's because it's about 150 outside and the humidity is super high and I am dying of sweating. But that's why I haven't decorated much for fall. I've told y'all this numerous times before, but it is too hot to decorate for fall. Like, it is so hard to get like in the whole fall vibes thing when it is so hot out and you cannot breathe. Cozy and inviting, and I thought the yellow mums just brought that bright pop of color that it needed to brighten my porch up, and I am absolutely loving it. If y'all like this video, make sure that you hit that like and subscribe button and help a girl grow. Also, do not forget to go check out the other ladies. In my description box, I'll have all their videos linked below so that you can go check them out. See y'all next time. Bye.